Let's dive in. What exactly is Pi Network? In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, new projects emerge constantly, each vying for attention and adoption. Pi Network has certainly captured a significant share of the spotlight, and perhaps more importantly, why is it seemingly everywhere you look? From casual mentions in online forums to full-blown discussions among crypto enthusiasts, Pi Network's presence is undeniable. You've probably seen Pi Network mentioned online, perhaps in a comment thread, a news article, or even a dedicated group. It's become a ubiquitous topic in the digital space, or more likely, you've had a friend invite you to join this free cryptocurrency venture. The referral system is a core component of Pi Network's growth strategy. The hook? You mine it directly on your phone, with minimal effort, just a simple tap each day. But here's the big question that everyone's asking. Is it a legitimate project with real potential, or is it just another overhyped crypto fad destined to fade away? Is it a groundbreaking innovation, or just smoke and mirrors? Pi Network stands out from the crowded crypto landscape because it boldly promises that anyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources, can mine cryptocurrency. This inclusivity is a key part of its appeal. The process is incredibly simple, with just a tap on their smartphone each day. There's no need for expensive, power-hungry mining hardware or any specialized technical know-how. It's designed to be accessible to everyone. The project was started by Stanford University graduates, lending it a degree of credibility in the eyes of some. Their academic background and expertise are often cited as reasons to take the project seriously. Pi Network's core mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to the masses, breaking down the barriers to entry that often exclude many potential users. They also aim to create a secure environment for users to transact and interact within the network. Security is paramount in the world of crypto, and Pi Network emphasizes its commitment to protecting its users. And crucially, they want to make it user-friendly for everyone, regardless of their technical background. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who are completely new to cryptocurrency. Millions of people have already joined the Pi Network, creating a massive global community. This widespread adoption is a testament to the project's appeal and potential. They are all drawn by the enticing idea of earning digital currency, potentially accumulating value over time. The promise of passive income is a powerful motivator for many. And all this is happening before Pi is even tradable on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This pre-launch phase is generating significant buzz and anticipation. Currently, Pi Network is in what they call an enclosed mainnet phase, a crucial stage in its development. The network is live and functioning, but it's operating within its own self-contained ecosystem, separate from the broader cryptocurrency market. It's not yet open to the wider crypto world, meaning Pi cannot be traded on exchanges or used to purchase goods and services outside of the Pi Network ecosystem. The users of the Pi Network, known as pioneers, are actively involved in shaping the project's future. They earn Pi by contributing to the network's security, testing new apps within the Pi ecosystem, and providing valuable feedback to the developers. All of this activity is geared towards the highly anticipated future public launch of Pi Network. The excitement surrounding Pi Network is largely fueled by its untapped potential. The question on everyone's mind is, what if this massive user base, already numbering in the millions, actually translates into real-world value when Pi is finally released to the open market? What will happen when Pi finally opens up to the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem and becomes tradable on exchanges? Whether you approach Pi Network with skepticism or optimism, it's undeniable that it has captured the attention of a vast audience. Pi Network represents one of the most ambitious and large-scale social experiments in the history of cryptocurrency. Its unique approach to mining and community building sets it apart from many other projects. The way Pi Network unfolds in the coming years has the potential to significantly shape the future of the cryptocurrency industry for years to come, influencing how new projects are launched and how communities are built. When you hear about cryptocurrency mining, images of massive server farms probably come to mind. These facilities are filled with specialized hardware, all dedicated to solving complex mathematical problems. But Pi Network's mining is nothing like Bitcoin's or other traditional cryptocurrencies. It takes a completely different approach. Bitcoin mining is an energy-hungry process. The computational power required to maintain the blockchain consumes vast amounts of electricity, leading to environmental concerns and high costs for miners. Traditional mining involves powerful computers constantly working to solve complex puzzles, verifying transactions, and adding new blocks to the blockchain. Instead of solving complex puzzles that require immense processing power, with Pi Network, you just tap the app once a day. This daily interaction serves a crucial purpose: to prove you're a real person, and not a bot trying to game the system. With Pi, there are no expensive computers required and consequently, no high electricity bills to worry about. It's just a simple daily check-in that takes seconds. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, a more energy-efficient and user-friendly approach to blockchain technology. This means the heavy lifting, the complex calculations and network maintenance happens on the network servers, not on your phone, preserving your battery life and device performance. Your tap signals you're active and engaged with the Pi network, and for that simple action, you earn Pi as a reward. The mining rate drops as more people join the network, reflecting the increasing value of the Pi currency. This system rewards early adopters for their initial commitment and contributes to creating scarcity, a fundamental principle in economics. This simplicity and accessibility has attracted millions of users worldwide, with many of whom are new to the world of crypto, making Pi Network a gateway to digital currencies. There's essentially no financial risk involved in participating in the Pi Network. It only requires just your time and curiosity to explore the potential of this new digital currency. Pi's unique approach has built a massive global community of engaged users, all eager to see the project succeed. And this is all happening before the coin is even tradable on exchanges, highlighting the community's belief in the project's long-term vision. Ultimately, it's less about traditional mining in the conventional sense and more about fairly distributing coins to a wide range of real users, fostering a more inclusive cryptocurrency ecosystem. That's the secret to Pi's viral growth and widespread adoption. It's crypto, made easy and accessible for everyone. The Pi browser is your gateway to the Pi ecosystem. Unlike Chrome or Safari, it connects you directly to Pi's blockchain and its growing library of decentralized apps, dApps. Think of it as an app store powered by Pi, where you can use your coins in games, marketplaces, and social platforms. Developers are building dApps that let you spend, earn, and trade Pi within the network. This creates a real usable economy, even before Pi is listed on public exchanges. For beginners, the Pi browser turns abstract crypto concepts into hands-on experiences. You can try out dApps, make transactions, and see how a blockchain economy works, all in a safe and closed environment. It's a training ground for the future of Web3. The Pi browser is where Pi's vision starts to feel real. The Pi wallet lets you securely store your Pi coins on the mainnet blockchain. To move your mined Pi into your wallet, you must complete KYC, verifying your identity with an ID and photo. This ensures each account belongs to a real person, keeping the network fair and secure. Once you pass KYC, you control your coins with a secret passphrase, true self-custody. You can send and receive Pi with other verified users, powering the network's internal economy. The wallet and KYC process teach you the basics of digital asset security and blockchain transactions. It's a practical intro to self-sovereign finance. You're not just a user, you're an owner. For newcomers, Pi's integrated approach is a game changer. The Pi browser and wallet simplify crypto's steep learning curve. No need to juggle multiple apps or worry about losing funds. You can safely explore dApps, send test transactions, and learn by doing, all within a controlled environment. It's like training wheels for Web3, letting you master wallets, transactions, and dApps without real financial risk. This hands-on education prepares you for the wider crypto world. When Pi eventually opens up, you'll already know the ropes. Pi is making crypto accessible one beginner at a time. Let's clear up the confusion about Pi's price. The Pi you see traded on some exchanges isn't the real Pi coin, it's just an IOU, a speculative bet on Pi's future value. The real Pi network is still in its enclosed mainnet phase. You can't deposit or withdraw actual Pi on these platforms. The Pi core team has warned that these listings are unauthorized and not connected to the real project. The IOU price is pure speculation, not a reflection of the Pi you're mining. Don't let the charts fool you. Your Pi's value isn't determined by these unofficial trades. Focus on the real project, not the noise. So why is the IOU price dropping? Initial hype drove prices up, but as excitement faded and no public launch date appeared, speculators lost patience. Broader crypto market downturns also dragged down speculative assets like Pi IOUs. Official warnings from the PI team add uncertainty, making traders nervous. Without a clear launch date, interest wanes and prices drift lower. Remember, this price action is disconnected from the real Pi network, which is still growing and building. The IOU price is just market noise. The real story is happening inside the Pi ecosystem. Here's the big picture. Pi's real progress is in its features, not its speculative price. The Pi browser and wallet with KYC are tangible tools, giving millions hands-on crypto experience. This is a first in crypto, an engaged, educated user base before a public launch. Meanwhile, the IOU price on exchanges is just speculation, not tied to the real coin. For beginners, it's easy to get distracted by price charts, but the real value is in learning and participating. Focus on what you can use and control: the apps, the wallet, the community. The rest is just noise until Pi officially opens to the public. Tangible progress matters more than speculative prices. Pi's foundation is being built now, regardless of what's happening on external exchanges. That's what counts for the future. So, you're stepping into the world of Pi Network for the first time? That's fantastic. It's a new and exciting space, but like any new venture, it's good to get your bearings. First, and this is crucial, understand that Pi is a long-term experiment. Think of it as a research project, a collaborative effort to build something new and innovative in the digital currency landscape. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. Approach it with patience and a realistic outlook. Never ever spend money on Pi IOUs or pay anyone for coins. This is a red flag. Mining Pi is free, and that's the only cost involved. If someone is asking you for money, it's a scam. Think of Pi Network as an opportunity to learn. Use Pi as a learning tool to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Download the Pi browser, it's your gateway to the Pi ecosystem. Set up your wallet within the Pi browser. This is where you'll manage your Pi and interact with the Pi blockchain. Explore and try the available dApps, or decentralized applications, within the Pi ecosystem. Practice transactions using TestPi to familiarize yourself with how digital currency transfers work. Treat it as a free course in crypto basics, a hands-on introduction to the world of digital finance. This is knowledge you can use anywhere, regardless of the future of Pi itself. Understanding blockchain is a valuable skill in today's world. Manage your expectations. Don't expect overnight riches. The open mainnet launch, where Pi can be freely traded, could take time. Development and refinement are essential for a successful launch. And remember, there's no guarantee of future value. The value of any cryptocurrency is subject to market forces and adoption. Don't obsess over speculative prices you might see online. These are often inaccurate and can lead to unnecessary stress. Instead, focus on official updates from the Pi core team and celebrate community milestones. Participate in the Pi community, learn from others, and see any future value of Pi as a bonus, not a guaranteed outcome or a promise. Your main investment should be your time and your curiosity to explore this new technology. If you want a risk-free way to learn about crypto and blockchain without putting any of your own capital at stake, Pi Network offers a unique opportunity to do just that. Stay curious about the technology, stay skeptical and ask questions, and most importantly, enjoy the experiment and the learning process.